again, Scott Sloan, Waverly, Ohio, with the black Dodge. The distance to the 2:39 even. Power planted in 94 Dodge. Spots the sled just slightly off center to the south. Let's get the distance. It is going to be a 2:51 and 1. Stay with your vehicles, please. Stay with your vehicles. Thank you. Where are the Mad Dog fans? Where are the Mad Dog fans? Who likes Jake Carter and the Mad Dog? Had an exciting pull at London, Ohio, Madison County, bounced the left front right out from underneath the truck, broke rear end, had one heck of a night. But what a pull, what a pull. Here he goes. That was here, wasn't it? You betcha, that was here. Thanks, guys. That was here. Wave, yeah! All right, good deal. We got you. Okay. All right, Jake Carter down there on the track right now, winding a Mad Dog up. You're right, Jake's escapades were here. You folks like Kurt's truck. How many like the Hazley truck off constantly? You bet. Let's watch him. Once again, this is the beat, the Mad Dog at 3:23 and 7. It's a 1998, 99 Dodge, 99 Dodge, thanks to the family at Cook Farms, Havens Farms, Shinner's Garage, Reese Welding, and Shelby Cook. Here he comes. Thank you so much, Columbus Diesel Supply. Ruh-roh. Let's find out what happens. All right, they're going to pull him back. Let's have one more shot at it. Remember, he was on the foot before 100 foot, and he gets the second shot, but this will be the final shot.
Like 10. What? He went like 10 feet.
I think he should have used that $60 on those flashing lights for something else.
We got green flags on both ends, and it's time to go truck pulling one more time. Central Ohio Truck Pull Circuit. As I told you, this is fast becoming the premier truck circuit around Ohio. These guys are coming from all over to start running in this circuit. Raymond County is up in the first position right now at 255 and 0. The truck is called Running in the Red. Oh, what do you think, Pullman fans? Are you having fun now? We're kind of set that bar a little bit high at 331 and 4. Let's find out. It's the Chevrolet Duramax. Yeah, go get me a double cheeseburger, order fries. No, okay. Or wait. Boy, talk about a bundle of nerves. This much power. Put your hand on the wiggle stick, and off he goes. All right, you guys ready? Yeah? Well, I can't hear you. I can hear the south side, but I can't hear the north side. Come on, you guys, you have a good time tonight? Send our last truck out with a bang tonight.